The Royal Academy presenting Part 8. This is Paper 1, Unit 1. This class is about online methods, that is Swayam PRabha, MOOCs, etc. This is UGCNET 2022-23. See, first point, what we are going to see is, first one is MOOCs. MOOCs means Massive Open Online Courses. Short form is MOOCs, or the online courses that are available free of cost. Such courses are taught by prestigious Indian and foreign institutes on platforms such as MIT, OCW, Swayam, Executive Education, Udacity, Coursera, and so on. Anyone can enroll in a course of his choice without any restrictions of the qualification. Online courses comprise videos, course handouts, suggested readings, and online tests. On successful completion of the course, certificates are also issued. See the second one, that is Swayam. Swayam stands for the study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. Is a MOOC-based initiative by the Indian government where courses from prestigious institutes are available online. Students can enroll in these courses free of cost. Third one is Swayam PRabha. Swayam PRabha is a project of Ministry of Human Resources taken by the Government of India under the National Mission on Education through ICT. It's a set of 32 DTH channels. You have to keep in mind, the Swayam PRabha project is a set of 32 DTH channels which telecast high quality educational programs on 24/7 basis using the GSAT-15 satellite. This also you have to keep in mind, GSAT-15 satellite. And number 2, the content is provided by UGC, CEC, IITs, IGNOU, NPTEL, NCRT, and NIOS. Point number 3, the website of Swayam PRabha is maintained by InflipNet Center. This point also you have to keep in mind. The website of Swayam PRabha is maintained by InflipNet Center. Fourth point, new content is telecast every day for at least 4 hours and it is then repeated 5 times in a day so that the students can learn at time of their convenience. See, the content is telecast every day for at least 4 hours and it is then repeated 5 times in a day so that the students can learn at time of their convenience. So this is the very important of this Swayam PRabha. Now, there are channels dedicated to school education and higher education in subjects of language, humanities, social sciences, physical sciences, mathematics, life sciences, various engineering streams, agriculture, vocational and allied sciences, etc. Next one is Consortium for Educational Communication, that is CEC. CEC was set up in 1993 by the UGC for addressing the needs of higher education through the use of television and information communication technology. Now, it is an inter-university center and the nodal agency of coordinate, guide and facilitate the production of educational content at the national level through its network of 21 media centers. Point number 3, before the setting up of CEC, the educational program were managed by the media centers established by UGC in 6 universities. For this purpose, countrywide classroom programs was started in 1984. Point number 4, EduSat is the educational satellite launched by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, for interactive satellite-based distance education. Point number 5, it streams both the live as well as the recorded session available on YouTube. Point number 6, students can interact with the teachers through text mode over the telephone or through audio or video conferencing. Next one is ePATHSHALA. The ePATHSHALA is set up by the joint efforts of Ministry of Human Resource Development, that is MHRD, taken by Government of India and the National Council of Education Research and Training, that is NCERT. Now, point number 2. It is a platform which supports a collection of a wide range of educational resources, including textbooks, audio, video, periodicals, and other materials. Now, it can be used by teachers, researchers, educators, students, and their parents. Sixth one is National Program of Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL. So NPTEL is a joint initiative by the IITs Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee, and IISc for improving the quality of technical education by providing online content which can be used by teachers and students. Teachers can use these courses to plan the classroom lectures. And seventh one is ICT based teaching support system. See, most of the modern teaching support system involve the use of ICT. The content can be made interesting using animations, videos, images in slides. Also, ICT is used to share the teaching resources. Point number 3. Videos, course, hangouts, tests and other courses content can be uploaded online. Now, teachers can make use of online solutions like Google Classroom to share online content with students, have discussions, receive assignments, and conduct online classes. Thank you. This is the Royal Academy. This is the phone number of the Academy. You can inquire about this one. You can join the classes. This course is about 2022. Thank you.